Sarah Ferguson recently declared that she underwent treatment for breast cancer, and the mother of two is currently recuperating at Royal Lodge in Windsor. Sarah Ferguson, 63, startled fans by sharing her breast cancer diagnosis after a routine checkup showed something sinister. Her family has rallied around her as she recovers at Royal Lodge, the house she shares with her ex-husband Prince Andrew. It is understood that Fergie's daughter Princess Eugenie has been incredibly kind during her mother's time of need. Despite giving birth to Ernest Brooksbank on May 30, Eugenie has essentially moved in at Royal Lodge to aid her mother's rehabilitation, according to the Mail on Sunday. Eugenie and her sister Beatrice spent their formative years in Royal Lodge, so it is likely that a bedroom has already been prepared for her. According to reports, Beatrice frequently calls to check on her mother's progress. Royal Lodge, a stunning Grade II listed home which Andrew has owned since the Queen Mother's death in 2002, boasts a regal exterior, wonderful interiors, and plenty of space. Princess Beatrice and Princess Eugenie's wedding celebrations were both held at the family home in Windsor. After turning 61, Sarah shared her stunning dressing table in her bedroom. The wooden design is topped with a white and gold flower vase, several metal trinket dishes, and a huge vanity mirror with twin wings. There are also wardrobes with cream doors and shiny gold knobs. The home boasts a striking white facade, as shown in photos, and is located among 21 acres of private grounds, providing plenty of room for an intimate nighttime wedding event. The excellent beverages cabinet owned by Andrew and Sarah was seen in a YouTube video taken in the conservatory during the first lockdown in 2020. It featured bottles of wine and port, tonic water, many glasses, and a variety of paper straws. A representative for the Duchess of York confirmed that she recently underwent a single mastectomy. They said, Sarah, Duchess of York was recently diagnosed with an early form of breast cancer detected at a routine mammogram screening. She was advised she needed to undergo surgery, which has taken place successfully. The Duchess is receiving the best medical care and her doctors have told her that the prognosis is good. She is now recuperating with her family. The Duchess wants to express her immense gratitude to all the medical staff who have supported her in recent days. She is also hugely thankful to the staff involved in the mammogram which identified her illness, which was otherwise symptom-free, and believes her experience underlines the importance of regular screening. The King Edward VII Hospital, a private hospital in London's Marylebone district, is where the Duchess underwent surgery.